प्रीमियर न्यूज़ चैनल में खुश आमदीद। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम ह्यूमन्स में गैसेस एक्सचेंज के हवाले से डिस्कस करेंगे। ह्यूमन्स में गैसेस एक्सचेंज के लिए रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पाया जाता है। रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम का पहला स्टेप द एयर पासेजवे है। द पार्ट्स थ्रू विच द आउटसाइड एयर कम्स इन द लंग्स एंड आफ्टर एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस इट गोज आउट इज कॉल्ड एयर पासेजवे। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज nasal cavity. Nose encloses the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is divided into two portions by a wall. Next step is nostrils. Nasal cavity opens to the outside through the opening called nostrils. Each portion lined by hairs and mucus. First of all, hairs. Hairs filter the dust particle from air, and next is mucus. Mucus moistens and warms the incoming air and keep temperature equal to that of the body temperature. Next step is pharynx. Dear student, pharynx is a muscular passage for food and air. Next step is larynx. Larynx is a box made of cartilage. It present between pharynx and trachea. It contains two pairs of fibrous bands called vocal cords. Larynx is also called as voice box. When air passes through the vocal cords becomes vibrate and produces sound, so called voice box. Next step is trachea. It is called windpipe. It is about 12 centimeter long tube. It has C-shaped cartilage rings. Cartilage keeps the trachea from collapsing.